Local news for Tuesday the 9th of June. Recognition of the Wairarapa Moana wetlands under the Ramsar Convention would be a real achievement and not just for the Moana. That's the message from Greater Wellington Wairarapa Committee Chair, Councillor Adrian Staples, and welcoming the decision by the government to recommend Wairarapa Moana wetlands for recognition under the Ramsar Convention. A publicly available dump station may be constructed at Masterton Tindy Lake. A recommendation will be debated at the Council's Infrastructure and Services Committee meeting tomorrow, and if approved, could cost around $70,000. The town's motorhome-friendly status is at risk without a 24-hour public dump station. Wellington District's brand new mobile police space is headed to Wairarapa. A team led by Area Prevention Manager Sergeant Ian Osland will pick up the truck, and has picked up the truck rather, and it's headed back to Masterton to start its duties. The MPB is a valuable resource to reach remote areas like Cape Palliser and Ngāwhi, Ocean Beach, Riversdale and Castle Point. And it'll help us connect with our rural communities, says Sergeant Osland. And the Wairarapa United first have made it through to the Kelly Cup semi-final with a 2-1 win over West last Sunday. The men lost 3-0 in a friendly to Miramar Rangers. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.